Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable all email notification on TikTok Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon, then tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find email notification, then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of all email notification. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable all email notification on TikTok Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.